If you're a mum or a parent, I'm sure you've come across this stain quite a few times, and I'm sure the first few times you're wondering how the heck you're going to get rid of this stain. So today's video, I'm going to show you how I use the product Ace for Whites to remove those type of stains from my baby's laundry. It is normally quite a shock basically when those happen, but yeah, so Ace for Whites, I use it because it's got triple protection, it has extra care on clothes, removes stains effectively, and it whitens, especially all those white onesies. So I tend to use this product. So it does give you instructions on how to use at the back. This is the second time I've used it, and basically I'm going to show you in my bathroom in my sink how I use it, but I tend to just use it does give you the instructions on how to use for a washing machine in just one go, but I'm going to use the by hand option. So I use the by hand option because I tend to think it works best for my son's laundry. I'm going to use it in the bathroom sink just for today's video purposes to explain how I use this product. So what I normally do is when the accident happens, I quickly just take it out, put it in the sink, and I'm just going to show you a step-by-step guide basically of how I use everything from the product and how it washes effectively. So let me know if you have used this product on your laundry. So I'm just going to get his onesie. As you can see, he's got this is his second accident today in the little space of a few hours. So I just get the onesies, and this is the first one, and it's pure white, and I've got his second onesie which has got a bit of a pattern on it. So what I do, I just fill up the sink with water and have his onesie in there. I probably advise you to put some gloves on because you are working with bleach, but I completely forgot to put my gloves on when I was doing this. So I just open up the bottle like so, and just pour. So I normally use 2 cups, two bowl caps for his laundry. I tend to use 2 because for me it removes the stains immediately. I say immediately because if you look at the back, it does say leave for 30 to 45 minutes, but it's a lot quicker. So basically I pour the 2 cupfuls. I just work the product onto his laundry. As you can see, I'm just making sure that all of the bleach goes around the mainly stained areas. I'm just going to quickly show you a zoom in. As you can see, the stains are already starting to dissolve in a way, and this is why I really love the product. You can see this onesie already, majority of the stain has already started to come off, and that's actually really amazing, especially when I don't have enough time to be focusing on laundry and I just want to quickly get on with the stains and then just chuck in the washing machine. So as you can see, the stain on this onesie as well is already coming off. It does have a little smell of bleach, obviously you'd expect because it is bleach, but it's not a really strong smell. It's an okay, bearable smell. And there are instructions again, like I said, at the back to use by hand. Soak for up to 20 to 30 minutes without adding any detergent, then rinse and wash with your usual detergent, which is fantastic, especially for mums like us who don't really have enough time to devote to one specific item for laundry. So again, please use gloves. I did get gloves on and I put them on, and because you are touching bleach and you don't want to damage your hands. So you can use this in the washing machine. It does have instructions for how to use it in the washing machine, but I don't have the CL section on my washer, so I just prefer to use the hand one. And you can use this around the house as well. There's also got instructions on how to use around the house. So I'm just going to quickly just drain the water. As you can see, literally had all the dirt come off, and this is me pouring my laundry detergent and just about to chuck everything in the washing machine. And I really love this product. I highly recommend it for anyone who you know, who has quite a lot of white clothes and they want to, you know, make sure they stay brilliantly white. So this is the best product to use for me so far. Yeah, so if you guys really love this video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to the channel. I'm gonna have more content coming up, reviewing more products, and yeah, again, Ace for whites, perfect for laundry. I'm also going to show you basically the after of what it looks like, and it works really well on my son's laundry, and I think it'll work well for you in your household as well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and follow me on Instagram, and yep, I hope to see you guys on my next video. You have a lovely day and happy laundry day.